Debbie's for today. Could you confirm your name and date of birth?
Shelby Robinson, 2899.
So today I am instructing you by explaining to you how to make an effective call. Okay? So first I'm gonna explain the instructions to you and then I'm gonna have you do it. So you gotta have take a deep breath and then you're gonna hold it for just a few seconds and then call. Okay? That's all. I'm going to be checking the speed of the speed of production. I'm going to check the color to the quantity, the color, and the character of the speed. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to do it. So take a deep breath for me. Hold it for 2 seconds. Now cough. Okay, like I said, I will be checking for the quantity, the color, and the character of her sputum if she had it, or if she had blood in her sputum.